Welcome to the fascinating world of Coca Cola production, where every bottle and can of your favorite fizzy beverage goes through an intricate process before reaching your hands. Let's dive deep into the secret that's been a mystery for over a century and explore the captivating journey of how Coke is made. The secret, a recipe only a few know. Let's start with the main ingredient, Coca-Cola's secret. You've probably heard the rumors. Only 2 or 3 people in the world know the exact recipe. It's a closely guarded secret, much like the recipe for Coca-Cola itself, which is famously locked away in a vault. This syrup gives Coke its distinctive flavor, the very taste that millions around the world are addicted to. But what exactly makes it so irresistible? You'll likely never know, as it's one of the most tightly held secrets in the beverage industry. Once the syrup is prepared, it gets mixed with carbonated water, the second key ingredient. The carbonation process gives the drink that effervescent fizz we all love. It's hard to imagine Coke without it, and yet this perfect combination of syrup and carbonation is what gives Coca-Cola its iconic flavor and feel. From mixing to bottling, advanced automation in action. After the syrup and carbonated water are combined, the entire mixture flows into a system of pipes leading to high-tech chambers. From here, an impressive array of robots and advanced machines take over. These machines ensure that the mixture is properly blended and poured into bottles at a precise volume. Watching this part of the process is mesmerizing. It's a dance of mechanics that never skips a beat. Interestingly, Coca-Cola was once marketed as a remedy for headaches and hangovers. Back in the day, it was even considered a brain tonic that could relieve exhaustion. While those claims are long gone, the refreshing taste of Coke still works wonders for many people. It's not too far-fetched to say that a cold Coke on a hot day can still feel like a tonic for the soul. The next stage in the bottling process is where things get even more fascinating. The bottles are moved through the production line with fluid, almost dance-like movements, all in perfect synchronization. This isn't just for aesthetics. It serves a practical purpose by keeping the bottles properly aligned as they make their way to the filling stations. The perfect fill, precision, and consistency. Once the bottles are lined up, the nozzles take center stage. They firmly grip the bottles and fill them up to a precise level, ensuring that every bottle is perfectly filled with the same amount of liquid. There's no room for error here. Each bottle must contain just the right amount of Coke for you to enjoy that classic taste. After filling, the capping process begins. The caps are applied quickly and securely to each bottle, ensuring that the flavors are locked in and the carbonation stays intact. It's a rapid process, but it's done with care to maintain the quality of every bottle. One fascinating fact, in Coca-Cola's first year of production, it was sold in jugs, and they could only manage to sell about 9 glasses a day. Fast forward to today, and Coca-Cola sells over 200,000 bottles every minute. Think about that for a second. Every minute, hundreds of thousands of people are popping open a bottle of Coke somewhere in the world. It's mind-blowing when you consider how far this drink has come since its humble beginnings. Cleanliness is key. How bottles stay fresh and shiny. You've probably noticed how shiny and clean a Coca-Cola bottle looks when you grab it from the fridge. That's no accident. Each bottle goes through a rigorous cleaning process to ensure that it's spotless and ready for consumption. The bottles are washed thoroughly and dried to perfection before they are filled. The packaging process, preparing for global distribution. Once the bottles are labeled, they're grouped together and wrapped in cardboard boxes, which are then covered with clear plastic sheets to keep everything in place. This is where the packaging process becomes even more advanced. These packages are designed to be both durable and space efficient, making it easy to transport large quantities of Coke to stores all over the world. Cans, too, go through a unique journey. After being filled, they are turned upside down and dried to remove any remaining water droplets. The design of the cans and the way they are handled ensure that they're compact and easy to store, while also maintaining the integrity of the drink inside. Many people will tell you that Coke tastes different depending on whether it's in a bottle or a can. There's some truth to that. The material the beverage is stored in can affect the taste slightly. Glass bottles, for example, are non-permeable, which means they keep the carbonation locked in longer. That's why Coke from a glass bottle often has a bit more fizziness compared to its plastic or aluminum counterparts. Coca Cola during World War II. a refreshing boost for soldiers. During World War II, Coca Cola played a unique role in supporting the war effort. The company provided Coke to American soldiers as a morale booster and even set up portable bottling plants near the front lines. The drink became a symbol of home and comfort for the soldiers, many of whom associated the refreshing taste of Coke with happier times. Coca-Cola's reach has only expanded since then. Today, it's sold in over 200 countries around the world. The slogan "Open Happiness" is more than just marketing. It reflects the joy that Coca-Cola brings to millions of people every day. It's a universal language that transcends borders, cultures, and languages. Energy drinks and the evolution of beverages. But Coca-Cola isn't the only player in the world of fizzy drinks. Energy drinks have become increasingly popular, offering a quick burst of energy when you're feeling tired or sluggish. These drinks are packed with ingredients designed to give you a quick energy boost, helping you shake off that fatigue and get back to your day. Like Coca-Cola, energy drinks go through a similar production process, with the same emphasis on cleanliness, precision, and quality. The difference lies in the ingredients, which are formulated to provide an extra kick of energy. And just like with Coke, the packaging of energy drinks plays a crucial role in maintaining their freshness and carbonation. The magic of glass. Why bottles make a difference. One of the most satisfying things about drinking from a glass bottle is the extra fizziness you get. Glass is non-permeable, which means it keeps the carbonation sealed in better than plastic or aluminum. That's why drinks from glass bottles often taste fresher and more effervescent. And when you're done with your glass bottles, don't toss them out just yet. They can be repurposed into all kinds of creative things, from funky vases to candle holders. It's a great way to give your empty bottles a second life and reduce waste at the same time. Final steps. Ready for delivery. Once all the bottles and cans are filled, capped, and packaged, they're loaded into containers for delivery. Whether it's a 6-pack of Coke cans or a crate of glass bottles, these beverages are now ready to be shipped to stores, restaurants, and vending machines around the world. From the production line to the store shelf, the journey of a Coca-Cola drink is one of precision, technology, and tradition. So next time you take a sip of that cold, refreshing Coke, remember the incredible process that brought it to you, from the secret startup to the automated machines, and from the sparkling bottles to the rich history of the brand. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink. It's a global experience that continues to bring happiness to people in every corner of the world. Cheers to that.